how to optimize Google Shopping or Google Merchant ads. Now, John, this is as easy as if you're in BigCommerce, if you're in Shopify, you press a button, all your products get moved over to Google AdWords, Google Shopping, Google Merchant, you get listed, and everybody thinks it's that easy. And it's not, because there are bids, you have to adjust the CPC, you have to adjust certain things. Tell us about how, because this is prime real estate now. If you go to Google, and you can do this right now, search for LED TV or any product, the first thing that shows up is that Google Merchant listings. How do we get more clicks, lower CPCs? Tell us more about this, please.
Sure. So it is super simple. It's a data feed or an upload. So you can create an FTP, you can create it from a CSV, but that file that you're going to create, that's going to be the backbone of your Google Shopping and your Merchant Center stuff. So we're going to optimize it. You want the images, you want your titles, you want all the information clear and concise. So you know that they're going to truncate the stuff as well. So instead of writing a huge long description and stuff, you got to know the character limits, know the character counts, and then identify what people want to see and what people want to read. So do a lot of competitor research. Go out there and type it in. If you have a competitor thing like the LED TVs or something, you want to see what other people are typing in there. So to make sure that you're writing the correct thing, it could be LED TV, on sale, this, that, whatever you're going to type in there, just make sure that it is clear, concise, to the point, and that it's readable as well. So you want proper case terms, and you want your words to pop out like that, no lowercase terms or anything. And then also with the offers, you could say, no shipping cost above $100. You could say free shipping if you spend this amount of money. You could say any of that. It's in the extensions as well. So we want to be able to make sure that we're taking advantage of the extensions, that we're writing in good prices. It's not $15. Let's do $14.99. You know, appeal to people with lower prices and stuff. Do clear pictures, nice pictures in there as well. You don't want any pixelated weird stuff, or you don't want to load something without an image as well. Those are all things that we should definitely avoid. But if you have good pictures, you have good images, you have good call to actions and everything like that, then it should be pretty good for you.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.